Hello guys, today we are going to discuss how to import data from Excel sheet into SQL Server database. As we all know, SQL Server provides us import wizard through which we can import data from external source. Before start, let me open the Excel sheet which we are going to import. This is my Excel sheet. All my data is in sheet 1. So now we have 5 columns: ID, name, position, location and age, and this table having 10 records. So I'm just going to import this data into the SQL Server. So let's move to the SQL Server. First of all, you have to select the database. Just right click on that, then go to task and go to import wizard. You will find import data option over there. Just click on that. It will open an import wizard for you. Then click on next. Now you have to select your data source. In our case, data source is an Excel sheet. So just select Excel over there. You will find Microsoft Excel option in that. Now you have to browse your files. Just select the path of the file, clicking on browse and choose your file. That's my file, import file. Just select that. Then clicking on next. Before clicking on next, just make sure you have ticked first row as column name. It will ensure that it will not import the first row as a record. It will consider first row as column. Then clicking on next. Now you have to select your destination. So destination is SQL Server. Now you have to select your server. So in my case, I just use dot. If you are using localhost or your local machines, then you have to use localhost or dot over there. Otherwise, you have to select the instance name. Then you have to select the authentication type. If you are using SQL Server authentication, then you have to write username or password. In my case, I am using window authentication. So I just select that. Now you have to select the database on which you are going to import that data. So I'm just going to import that data in the test database. So I just select that same name over there. Then clicking on next. Now you have to take copy data from one or more tables or views. We are going to import data from Excel sheets to SQL Server. So I'm just selecting first option and clicking on next. Now you have to select the sheet in which your data is. So my data is in sheet 1. So now what it do, it just moving the data from sheet 1 to the destination sheet 1 dollar. So I just want to change the name of the tables. That table to be created with the name of employee data. So changing the name to employee data. Then clicking on next. You have to make sure that run immediately is checked, so that after clicking on next, it just give you brief that what it was going to do. So now it will give you the information that it just copy the rows from sheet 1 to the table employee data, and also it will create the table. So then now clicking on finish, then just wait until the process complete. So now it shows that 10 rows transferred. Just clicking on a close, move to the SQL Server. Let's just refresh the tables. That table with employee data is created or not. So here it is, employee data is created. So let's check the records from the SQL query as well. Write the query, select star from employee data. Now execute it. Here. Now you can verify that whatever the records are showing in the tables, that's the records same in the Excel sheet as well. Now in that way, you can move the data from the external source to the SQL Server using the import wizards. That's it in this video. If you have any queries, then feel free to comment. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.